Welcome back to the another session. In this video, I'm going to talk about the program using pointers. Okay, the previous video I told you about what is pointer, how to declare a pointer, how to initialize a pointer. Now we'll continue our talk in program. Now see this program. This program is having declaration of a variable. I have declared a variable using character data type and x integer data type. P comma q are floating. Okay, now this is what we used to call declaration. These three: declaration of a, declaration of x, declaration of p comma q variables. Fine. Now look at this. These are what initializing the values of the above variables. We will be having two ways that you can initialize the values in compile time, or else you can use scanf statement to read the values. Okay, you can give directly here, and this process is called as compile time, or else you can take scanf statement to read the values. Now let's see. Percentile C is stored at address. So in the previous video, I told you very clearly, the moment when we give this instruction in the program, immediately memory will be allocated to the variable. Now let's see where the first character is stored in which address, or where it is stored. So how to know this? Percentile C is what? A. A is defined as character data type. Now I wanted to see percentile C. Percentile C is access specifier to print the value of character. Okay, percentile C resembles A. Percentile U resembles ampersand A. So A in the sense what? Character. Okay, what is the value of character? Capital A. Okay, now this percentile C is what we will get in display. A is stored at address. Now look at this statement. I have given percentile U, and this is the access specifier through which we will see address of the variable. Okay, percentile C, percentile D, percentile F to see the values of the variable, and percentile U will help us to see the location of the variable or the address of the variable. Now this program, you can see what the value is available in which location. So percentile C, that is character, is available in which location, integer is available in which location, float is available in which location, that. And it is very sure that these values will be vary from system to system. So as these are concerned to address locations, these values will be different. But the point what you have to understand here is, you can see the respective location where your values are going to store. Now let's see how we will do with the pointers. Now we'll do with the example. Okay, now look at this. Int x comma y and int star ptr. So now x, y, ptr. The moment when you give these two lines of code, memory will be allocated. Now that is, x will be having, x is available at 4104 memory location, and this memory locations will differ. Absolutely, these will be differ from system to system. 4104 is the location where x is available. 4108 is the location where y is available. 4106 is the location where ptr is available. Okay, now let's see. X is equal to 10. What does it mean? That I am initializing the value of x. Now x will get placed into, 10 will get placed into x location. Okay, now ptr is equal to address of x. Now X is having one address which is 4104. Now that is given to pointer variable. Now the value of pointer variable is what? Look at here in the description. The address of 4104, that is the address of X, is became the value of the PTR. Now this is what PTR. PTR value is updated with address of A. Now again look at Y is equal to star PTR. What does it mean? PTR is what? Address of X. Now look at this. Star PTR is what? Address of X. This one is called as indirection operator. Asterisk symbol. This is asterisk we used to call, and this is indirection operator. And this is address operator. This is indirection operator, and this one is address operator. Now, indirection operator will direct us to take the value, or will look the value using of this. And address of X is what? Address. That we will be knowing the particular location of the variable. Now asterisk is what? It is denoting a value. Where the value is available? Address of X. Now look at in the description where you have to go. Address of X. Now go to address of X. Here it is. What is the value which is available in address of X? 10. Now that is given to Y. So star PTR is equal to X. Okay. PTR is equal to ampersand X. What do you mean by star PTR? Value of the X. Now, what is value of X? 10. That is given to whom? Y variable. Now look at this. 10 is a value which is available in X, and that is pointing to the Y. That is Y is equal to star PTR. Okay. Now look at this. That I wanted to print where exactly where the values are being stored with the location I wanted to display. Value of X is, now value of X is 10, the first printf statement. The second printf statement, percentile D. What is percentile D? X. The first access specifier will resemble the first input format. What is this? X. X is what? Integer, right? Now that is 10 is stored at address percentile U ampersand X. So what we are trying to do? We are trying to display X value along with the location of the X. So we will be getting this output. 10 is stored at address 4104. And this is same as with the next two statements. Look at, keen observe. The second printf statement is exactly equivalent. The output of the second is equivalent to third and fourth. What is written in third printf? Third printf is something asterisk ampersand X or star ampersand X. Okay. What do you mean by this star? Value. Where the value? Address of X. The value which is available in the address of X. What is the value which is available in the address of X? 10. 10, right? Now that will becomes, and now this is also called as star PTR. Look at this. X is same as star ampersand X, and that is same as star PTR. Both the statements will give the same output. These three statements will give the same output. Now, look at the next statement, PTR and star PTR. What do you mean by this PTR? What you'll get in the fourth printf statement? PTR 4104 is stored at address 4106. What is the value of PTR? Address of X. Look at here. PTR is what? Address of X. What is PTR? Look at here. It will be having a value, right? This is what PTR cell. Now that is updated with 4104. Now ampersand PTR is what? 4106. Right? Address of pointer is 4106. Value of pointer is 4104, which is the address of A. Fine. Now the next. Percentile D is stored at address y comma ampersand y. What is here y? What is here y? Look back. Y is equal star PTR. What do you mean by star PTR? This is what? Again you are pointing to where? The value of x. Y is nothing but star PTR. Star PTR is nothing but the value of the x. Ampersand y is nothing but what? Address of your y. Now look at this. Y is star PTR. Now what is star PTR? Value of x that is given to y. Address of star PTR, that address of y, which is 4108. Now star PTR is updated with 25. What is star PTR? Star ampersand x is equal to 25. Okay. Now what does it mean? Whatsoever value is available in x, that has been updated with the 25. So far it is having 10. Now I am going to update this 10 with 25. When you print x value, that will be updated and it will be displayed with 25. Okay. Now this is what the clear declarations of this program. Now look at this. You can understand with this. So this is the way how pointer programs will get evaluated. Thank you all.